Hello friends, today we will discuss about the concept cost accounting. It simply means the process of accounting for costs. Cost accounting is the next step to costing. Cost accounting involves accurately analyzing, standardizing, forecasting, and comparing relevant data so as to interpret and report various concern areas. The general principles of cost accounting includes the principle that costs should be related as closely as possible to their causes so that the cost will be shared only among the cost units that passes through the department where these expenses are related. Another principle is that the convention of prudence or the prudence principle in accounting, that is, do not anticipate profits but provide for all possible losses, should be ignored. Otherwise, management estimation of the profit may be badly edited. The scope of cost accounting adds to preparation of budgets, determination of standard costs based on technical estimates, identifying variances, cost control, cost reduction, ascertainment of profitability, etc. Cost is not the responsibility of one department, rather skillful integration of management, processing and finance. Cost accounting aims to assist organizations in understanding their cost, productivity and efficiency in conducting business in order to improve operations. The main objectives include classification of cost, ascertainment of cost, ascertainment of profit, determination of selling price, basis of managerial decision making, facilitation of cost control and cost reduction, etc. Cost accounting increases the overall productivity of an organization and serves as an important tool. Management uses cost accounting systems to estimate the cost of the products for profitability analysis, cost control, and inventory valuation. It helps the business to lower the cost of business operations by identifying and controlling relevant items. Moreover, cost accounting assists in checking inventory at each stage. It helps in cost optimization and also understanding value of raw material, work in progress, and finished goods. Even though cost accounting comprises a lot more importance, it is not free from limitations. Cost accounting is not an exact science like other branches of accounting, but is an art which has been developed through theories and accounting practices based on logics and reasoning. The technique and methods of cost accounting differ from organization to organization. One standard method is not adequate for all the requirements of different organizations. Furthermore, actual profit or loss of the business cannot be ascertained by cost accounting because it ignores income and expense of financial nature. I hope this video has brought an insight about cost accounting. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.